Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of Livu in 2025. So this works on iPhone and Android. So as you can see, I got unlimited coins. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get into the guide, bro. So the first thing we're going to do is just go over to this site. It's called zoomods.com. They have like a lot of modded apps and stuff like that. So what you want to do, guys, is go and type in Livu. Should come up. There it is, Livu mod. So we're going to start our download now of the Livu mod. So let's just wait for it to download here. So yeah, you get unlimited resources. It's super crazy and it fully works on iOS and Android, guys. So it doesn't matter what phone you got, you can do this. So anyway, before it downloads, we will have to do a verification. This is where we have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're from the App Store and they're completely for free. So a second, it's going to load that page. So it says Livu mod installer, please install 2 free apps. Additional files are required for the mod to run. So the thing is, some people will download 2 of the apps and they won't read the instructions. So make sure you read them and complete them. Like Alibaba says down, run for 30 seconds. Swagbucks, install open, complete kingdom levels 2. So anyway, just press tap to install. It will redirect you to the Play Store if you're on an Android, and it will redirect you to the App Store if you're on an iPhone. So anyway, guys, be sure to test out for yourself. It's super insane. As long as you do this verification step, you will get the Livu mod. So yeah, it is super wild, bro. It actually works, as you can see. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this fully works, guys. It's super insane. And yeah, I mean, I've tested like many methods, and I have to say, if you want to get Livu coins for free, you need to like hunt daily for methods. So this site, Zoomods, it's up right now. Go ahead and check it out if you guys want to get free coins on the Livu, guys.